In this video, we are going to discuss next two forms of equations of line. Number one, the intercept form, and number two, the normal form. Hello friends, you are watching channel Number Collage. This channel features concept videos on mathematics which you would love to watch. Let us talk about intercept form of equation of a straight line. X-axis origin. Suppose a line cuts x-axis in point A 0, and y-axis in point B, 0, B, so that OA becomes the x-intercept A and OB becomes the y-intercept B. By using two-point form of equation of a straight line, we write equation of this line as y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 equals x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. It will be y minus b upon b minus 0 equals x minus 0 upon 0 minus a, which will be y by b minus b by b will be 1 equals minus x by a, which will be x by a plus y by b equals 1. So x upon a plus y upon b equals 1 is the intercept form of equation of a straight line. Now let us discuss normal form of equation of a straight line. So x-axis, y-axis, origin. Let a straight line cuts x-axis in point A0 and y-axis in point B, 0B, so that OA is the x-intercept A and OB is the y-intercept B. Draw a perpendicular from origin. On this line, the foot of the perpendicular is P x1 y1. Let length OP be P. Also, let angle POA be alpha. Therefore, angle PBO will also be alpha. In right triangle OPA, hypotenuse OA, which is A, will be adjacent side P by cos alpha. Similarly, in right triangle OPB, hypotenuse OB will be equal to B, which will be opposite side P upon sin alpha. Now, by intercept form, we write x upon A plus y upon B equals 1, which will be by substituting the values. X upon A is P by cos alpha plus y upon B, which is P by sin alpha, equals 1, which gives x cos alpha plus y sin alpha by P equals 1, which finally gives x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals P. So this is the normal form of this line, because here P is the normal from origin on this line. Find the slope and intercepts of the line phi y equals 4 times 3 minus 2x. It will be phi y equals 12 minus 8x. Let's name this equation 1. This can be written as y equals minus 8 by 5x plus 12 by 5. So minus 8 by 5 is the slope of this line. From equation 1, we can write 8x plus 5y equals 12. In order to bring 1 on the right hand side, we will divide throughout by 12. So we write 8x by 12 plus 5y by 12 equals 12 by 12 will be 1. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So we write this equation as x by 3 by 2 plus y by 12 by 5 equals 1. Here 3 by 2 represents the x-intercept and 12 by 5 represents y-intercept. So the slope of this line is minus 8 by 5, its x-intercept is 3 by 2, and y-intercept is 12 by 5. How to find slope and both intercepts of the equation x by 2 plus y by 3 plus 1 by 4 equals 0. Let us name this equation as 1. Next, we will simplify this equation. The LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will be 12. So we write 12 by 2 is 6, so it will be 6x. 12 by 3 is 4, so it will be 4y, plus 12 by 4 is 3, so it will be 3 equals 0. So that will be 6x plus 4y plus 3 equals 0. We write this as 4y equals minus 6x minus 3. Y will be minus 6 by 4 x minus 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. So it will be y equals minus 3 by 2 x minus 3 by 4. This minus 3 by 2 will be the slope of this equation. From equation 1, we write x by 2 plus y by 3 equals minus 1 by 4. In order to make the right hand side 1, we will multiply the equation throughout by minus 4. So it will be minus 4x by 2 plus minus 4y by 3 equals 1, which will be minus 2x plus minus 4y by 3 equals 1, which we rewrite as x by minus half plus y by minus 3 by 4 equals 1. So here minus half will be the x-intercept and minus 3 by 4 will be the y-intercept of this line. X-axis, y-axis, origin. The length of the perpendicular from origin on this line is 2, and the angle made by this perpendicular with the x-axis is 30 degrees. We have to find the equation of this line. We have this 2 equals p, length of the perpendicular, and this angle equals alpha. So by normal form of equation of a straight line, we write x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals p. So it will be x cos 30 plus y sin 30 equals 2. X cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus y sin 30 is half equals 2, which will be root 3x plus y by 2 equals 2, that is root 3x plus y equals 4. So this will be the equation of this straight line. We have to find equation of this line which is parallel to a line with x-intercept equals 2 and y-intercept equals 4, which passes through a point 6 comma 5. Now equation of line with x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 4 will be x by 2 plus y by 4 equals 1. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, so it will be 2x plus y equals 1. So that will be 2x plus y equals 4, which will be y equals minus 2x plus 4. This minus 2 will be the slope of this line. Since this required line is parallel to this line y equals minus 2x plus 4, the slope of this line will also be equal to minus 2. Now that we know the slope of the line and one point on the line, we can use slope point form to write the equation of this line, which is y minus y1 equals slope m times x minus x1. That will be y minus 5 equals minus 2 times x minus 6. Y minus 5 equals minus 2x plus 12, or this equation will be 2x plus y equals 17. 2x plus y equals 17 is the equation of this line. We have to find equation of this line, the sum of whose intercepts on x and y axis is 8, that is a plus b equals 8, and which passes through a point minus 3, 10. Equation of a line in intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b equals 1, where a and b are the intercepts on x and y axis. Since this line passes through this point, we can substitute this point in this equation. So we write minus 3 by a plus 10 by b equals 1, minus 3b plus 10a equals ab. Now we will substitute the value of b in this equation. So we write minus 3 into 8 minus a plus 10a equals a into 8 minus a minus 24 plus 3a plus 10a equals 8a minus a squared, which will be a squared minus 8a plus 3a plus 10a minus 24 equals 0, which will be a squared plus 5a minus 24 equals 0. This quadratic polynomial can be factorized as a plus 8 into a minus 3 equals 0. So that gives us a equals minus 8 and a equals 3. When a equals 3, b will be 5. So this equation will be x by 3 plus y by 5 equals 1. That will be 5x plus 3y equals 15. This will be one equation of this line. From a equals minus 8, we get b equals 16. So the second equation will be x by minus 8 plus y by 16 equals 1. LCM of 8 and 16 will be 16, so it will be minus 2x plus y equals 1. That will be minus 2x plus y equals 16, or 2x minus y plus 16 equals 0. So this will be the second equation of this line. So we get two different equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2 of this line, x-axis, y-axis, origin. We have to find the equation of this line whose portion between the positive x and y-axis is bisected at point 3, 4. Let this point A be A0 and this point B 0, B, where A is x-intercept and B is y-intercept. Suppose this point is M. Now, since M is the midpoint, by midpoint formula, we write this 3 equals 0 plus A by 2, which gives A equals 6, and this 4 equals B plus 0 by 2, that gives us B equals 8. We will use intercept form to write the equation of this line. So we write x upon a plus y upon b equals 1, which will be x upon 6 plus y upon 8 equals 1. That will be 8x plus 6y equals 48, or 4x plus 3y equals 24. 4x plus 3y equals 24 is the equation of this required line. Friends, if you like this video, Please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Do subscribe this channel to get more videos of this type. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.